we're going to go to our secret weapon, and that is our secret weapon.
We're having excellent writing training for elementary and middle school teachers. Our district is focused on literacy. We believe strongly in the power of reading and the power of writing, and they're connected. So this training is going to help with strategies and tools to enrich the toolbox that our teachers already have, so that when we're teaching, we truly reach every single child.
We have this amazing presentation going on. It's called the Writing Academy, and we're really excited about it. It's new strategies to implement for writing for our students.
We are taking back with us many revising and editing strategies that are very hands-on. It goes hand in hand with our district-wide theme of differentiated instruction, where we're taking learning to another level, making sure that every child is engaged.
That's just a statement about Trace Law.
So that key knowledge?
That would be my key knowledge.
Not only are we trying to educate our students, but us as professionals, we need to educate ourselves every single day. You know, we do not know everything, but if we can grasp something each and every day, every year, and in this profession, we need to do that, especially for our children.
What I really like about this training is that it's more hands-on. It's very engaging for the students. It's exciting for us as teachers to be in this training. So for the kids, I mean, they're excited as well to implement these new strategies that they're teaching us.
Our kids are coming to us, you know, with multiple learning abilities, and research shows that, you know, kids learn differently. And with the media, with social media, and kids constantly texting and constantly being on Facebook, this is another means for them to be engaged. And anything to get our kids to learn about nouns, pronouns, adjectives, you know, in a novel way so that they can do well, hey, we're all for it.
Zip. Okay, that was a hard one.
But the more engaged our teachers are and the more excited they are about the material and the strategies and the training, then the more likely they are to kind of transfer that to the classroom and to their students. The more likely they are to be engaged.
So this is one that we did for the revising and editing portion, and it goes like this. Complete on the left, complete on the right. Comma and fan to make it right. So it's whole body, whole mind, and involving together helps the brain to actually become more active, helps them to learn a little bit better, and helps them to be more engaged into what they're doing in their writing.
It also reaches all of our populations, whether they come with us with limited English background or they might have special ed needs. So a lot of the activities that they've been sharing with us today help us with that.
I think this says that Weslaco ISD is preparing our students for the future, for jobs that we can't imagine right now, and making sure that our students can articulate themselves, especially in writing, and just making sure that our students are well-rounded, because we need writing in all facets of our life in every discipline.
Well, goal 2 for our district is engaging learning environments. So when you use effective strategies that create curiosity in the minds of children, strategies that involve the hands and the eyes and hearing, it's just more powerful. It cements the learning. It brings the experiences together so that students understand at deeper levels. It says that Weslaco ISD is definitely the right choice.